This is actually a very kind of important question. It wants you to sketch the graph with all this information. Now, what this first statement is saying is that f of 0 equals f of 2, and that both of them have an output of 0. So, at 0, my output is 0. At 2, my output is 0. Is that okay? At f of 0 and f of 2, your output is 0. So I got two coordinates. I have 0, 0, and I have 2, 0. That's what that is saying. Okay. What this is saying is the derivative is less than 0 from 1 less than 1. Now, when a derivative is less than 0, doesn't that mean it's decreasing? Which means, doesn't it mean it's going downhill? So, if 1, right here, at 1, do you understand? On this side of the graph, it's going to go downhill. Everywhere less than 1, the graph is going downhill. Look at this one right here. I'm skipping here. Greater than 0 means positive, right? So it doesn't mean it's increasing, which means uphill from the values greater than 1. So you kind of got a parabola up here. It's going to be going down to 1. It's going to be going up for the rest of it. Okay. What does the derivative at 1 is 0 mean? It means it's a flat line. Meaning, isn't at 1, won't your slope be a turnaround point, critical number? And the last one is, there should actually be another mark right here. I missed that. The second derivative is greater than 0. What does that mean? Does it mean the whole thing's big happy little smile? The whole thing should be happy. Got it? So, do we know the actual value at 1? No. But I do know the value at 1. Let's just put a value right here. I know it's going to be below, because isn't it going to be decreasing and then increasing? And isn't at 1, isn't the slope 0? So isn't the slope right here going to have a slope of 0? So that means a critical number means a max or min. So let's just think about this. Doesn't my graph look something like this? Isn't it decreasing from here to here? Isn't my slope 0? And then isn't it increasing from here to here? And isn't the whole graph happy? Concave up. Does this graph fit all these stipulations? It takes some practice. But you got to look at the stipulations, write down what you know, and kind of imagine the graph and sketch it. It's not perfect. Because do you know this point right here? Do you know any of the points? No. But you know a lot of the characteristics. Okay, that would be it. Some sort of parabola. Could be really narrow, could be, all sorts of parabolas, but these 2 points are given.